So that's really, it's three targets that we're drilling in this program, even though we'll do two and try to do two in one hole.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Jason Weber. He is the CEO of Silver North Resources. And Jason joining us on site at his project. Jason, good to see you. How are you?
Oh, doing very well. Enjoying a cool, crisp morning here in the Yukon.
Absolutely. So you're here because you obviously have started work on the Haldane property, and let's remind everyone a little bit about this particular project and the excitement that you and the team have around it.
Yeah, so where we are now is the western side of the historic Keno Hill Silver District. So over 100 years of silver mining history, and more recently some gold exploration and mining here as well. So a really historic place. Obviously, when you're looking for new deposits, it's your best chances are looking near old ones. So we're in an established district, lots of silver potential here, and we feel at Haldane here we have great potential to find not only new discoveries but build on the ones we've already made.
Yeah. So you're looking to do about 1,000 meters of drilling. So give us some thoughts on what the work plan is going to be and sort of the areas that you're specifically looking at.
Yeah, so our West Fault area, which is just about a kilometer in front of me here, is where we'll focus this year. We'll do two holes there, just aiming to build on the discovery we made in 2020. That's a discovery that we've expanded sort of to 90 by 100 meters along strike and down dip, and we'll be aiming to do that again to build on that. And then we had a drill hole from a few years ago that we never got to follow up on, and that's at our Bighorn target. Really excited about that one. This is 3 kilometers away from any known mineralization, and we hit a series of Keno style veins down hole that we're going to follow up along strike of now to see if we can get a little higher grade and a bit wider thickness on those.
Jason, are you looking at these results to say, okay, let's focus in on, the Bighorn area, let's focus in on the West Fault area? Or are you sort of trying to take it a bit more systematically that you need to cover all of those off in the future?
Yeah, I think we need to cover all of those off.
Yeah.
We've got other targets too that we haven't developed to the point of drilling yet. We'll have to start moving those along as well. But in one of the West Fault holes that we're going to drill this year, we're actually going to extend it quite a bit deeper than we would normally. And we're going to try to hit our main fault target. And that one's really exciting because we have silver mineralization on surface. There's been some drilling attempted prior to our involvement, and they weren't really able to get a good test of the main fault. So we're hoping that by drilling through the West Fault first and then extending into the parallel main fault, we'll hit it deeper where the mineralization isn't oxidized, and we can get a good feel for what the tenor of that vein system is there. So again, that's really, it's three targets that we're drilling in this program, even though we'll do two and try to do two in one hole.
Absolutely. Jason, thanks so much. I appreciate you stepping aside from all the work and giving us an update on what's going on, and continue to stay safe and enjoy the drilling. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, my pleasure, Steve. It's really exciting being on site. So and it's great to be able to talk to you from site. So it's fantastic.
All right, good stuff. There's Jason Weber, the CEO of Silver North Resources.